we're headed to Anaheim, California to visit perhaps one of the most divisive rides. You either love it or you hate it. We're about to sail around the world on Disneyland's It's a Small World. Or Small World, as it's affectionately known by Disney lovers, is a boat ride located in Fantasyland. But Fantasyland wasn't its original home. Before it made its way to the happiest place on Earth, an iteration of It's a Small World was located at the 1964 World's Fair in New York.
The line has direct exposure to the California heat, but the ride does board guests efficiently and quickly. In general, though, we suggest going when the line is short. The ride itself was designed as a salute to the children around the world. With over 300 audio-animatronic dolls and Disney characters, you truly are transported into the whimsical world of Walt Disney. As you travel across the world, you visit children from each continent singing the theme song It's a Small World in their particular country's language. And characters from relevant Disney movies are peppered throughout the ride.
You may call us crazy, but we think Small World is a great ride. Not only is it great respite from the California sun, it's a classic and a nostalgic reminder of the power of the Disney Imagineers to leave a lasting imprint on its guests.
While the song will probably get stuck in your head, this is a must-ride for first-time Disney guests.
And it's service dog friendly. My service dog Abby absolutely adores Small World. And the ride really comes to life over the Christmas season, so we suggest checking out our Small World Christmas reviews and POVs to get a look at their amazing holiday decoration overlay. We give It's a Small World 7 out of 10 Mickey ears. It's a classic that you have to go on at least once in your life.
Because it's sort of like an initiation into the Disney park universe.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.